AI may not replace great leaders, but it will expose managers who only chase updates, schedule meetings, and forward reports. Middle management is now facing one of the biggest turning points in modern work. For decades, middle managers were the connection between senior leadership and frontline teams. They translated strategy into action, coordinated daily work, tracked progress, and made sure teams stayed aligned. But today, that traditional role is under pressure. AI can now handle many tasks that once defined middle management faster, cheaper, and at a much larger scale. Reports, meeting summaries, scheduling, dashboard analysis, resource tracking, and performance updates can now be automated. So the question becomes unavoidable. If AI can manage information, what is the real value of a manager? This does not mean leadership is disappearing. It means leadership is being redefined. AI is separating true leaders from managers who only move information from one place to another. The old taskmaster style is losing power. The future will not reward managers who only monitor work. It will reward leaders who guide people, solve problems, and create real clarity. That is why the future belongs to the player coach. A player coach is not just someone giving instructions from outside the work. They understand the work, support the team, and step in when needed. In the past, middle managers acted as the bridge between strategy and execution. But now, AI can support that bridge by organizing data, detecting patterns, and showing where attention is needed. This gives managers a powerful opportunity. Instead of being buried in reports, follow ups, and admin work, they can spend more time with people, decisions, and real problem solving. Being a player means keeping your technical understanding alive. You know the tools, the process, the pressure, and the real challenges your team faces every day. You are not just watching from the sidelines anymore. You are inside the game with your team, helping them make better decisions and solve difficult problems under pressure. Teams do not only need someone asking, is the work done? They need someone who can say, I understand the challenge. Let's solve it together. But being a player is only half the role. The second half is becoming a true coach, someone who develops people, builds confidence, and helps team members grow. AI can show what is happening. It can reveal delays, risks, patterns, and performance gaps. But it cannot fully understand the human story behind those numbers. A dashboard may show that someone is falling behind, but a real leader asks why. Are they confused, overloaded, unsupported, unmotivated, or facing a challenge that data alone cannot explain? That is where human leadership becomes irreplaceable. AI gives insight, but leaders bring judgment. AI brings speed, but leaders bring direction. AI shows patterns, but leaders build trust. So, is AI making middle management obsolete? For managers who only coordinate, monitor, and report, the risk is real. But for player coaches who adapt, lead, teach, and inspire, AI is an advantage. In the age of AI, the real question is no longer how many tasks can you manage? The real question is how many people can you help become better? Because AI can manage information, but only real leaders can build people. Do you think AI will replace middle managers or make them better leaders? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more future focused insights.